Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to deactivate a Facebook business page by using the unpublishing feature. This is just going to be a quick video tutorial, so if you want to get more details about deactivating a Facebook page, so for instance what happens when you deactivate a Facebook page versus what happens when you delete a Facebook page, which is a different feature and process, then check out our more detailed blog post on 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞 where we share some related information that we're not going to mention in this video. You can also find hundreds of tutorials there on social media and Facebook page marketing for absolutely free. One more thing before the tutorial. If you want to get more Facebook page followers, more organic reach, without running Facebook ads, then check out our Facebook page growth checklist that you can download from our website, 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞.com, since we are giving it away for free. Links to the 50-point checklist in the description below. Alright, so you can deactivate a Facebook page by using the unpublishing feature. It's different from the deletion feature, that when you unpublish a Facebook page, so when you deactivate it, it means that it will be hidden from the public, so no one can see the Facebook page but you. So this enables you to make big changes on the Facebook page, or if you just created a new Facebook page, you can make the necessary setup that you want before launching the Facebook page. And the great thing about unpublishing, so deactivating a Facebook page, that you can activate the Facebook page back anytime you want, as I will show you in the next minute. So to deactivate the Facebook page, all you have to do is scroll down on the left here on the settings. Of course, you have to be an admin of the Facebook page to be able to deactivate the page. And under this page visibility section, you can see that the page is currently published. If we click on this edit here and change it to page unpublished, this is how we can deactivate the Facebook page. So we have to click on save changes. We can give some feedback to Facebook why we want to unpublish this Facebook page. If we are okay with this, then click on next, give feedback one more time, but we don't have to. So to deactivate the Facebook page, click on unpublish here. And now as we can see, the page is unpublished, so it's deactivated temporarily, but we can republish the Facebook page. Let me show you how. So if we go back to the Facebook page and refresh the page, now we can see that the page is currently visible, so it's deactivated. If we want to activate the Facebook page or publish the Facebook page back to the public so they can see the Facebook page again, then we have to click on this publish page button here. And now as we can see here, the page is published, so it's activated again. Everybody can see what we post and anything else. Before we would wrap up, just make sure to check out our free Facebook page growth checklist, so you can get the 50 checkpoints we use every time to 10x the number of followers of any Facebook page. We are planning to charge money for this checklist in the future, so get it now for free until you can. You can get the checklist by clicking in the description below, or search on Google for 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞.com and add the query Facebook page growth checklist spreadsheet. Also, if you want to learn more about setting up, managing, growing a Facebook page, make sure to check out our Facebook page tutorial YouTube playlist that you can see on the screen here. See you next time.